No wonder the special counsel in that, after we were even on the air yesterday, begged to have his deputy next to him to point out the pages so he would know whether or not the report, at least most of the time, even said if he could say yes or no to exact quotes from the Mueller report. And oftentimes, when he did try to get ahead of waiting for the page number from the member of Congress questioning him, he was wrong. The report itself says that collusion is basically conspiracy, and there's an exchange between Congressman Doug Collins, who's the ranking member of the Judiciary Committee, and Bob Mueller on that very topic, where Bob Mueller says no, conspiracy and collusion are not the same, definitively says no, and then Doug Collins reads from the Mueller report, page 180 of Volume 1. Collusion is largely synonymous with conspiracy as that crime is set forth in the General Federal Conspiracy Statute. Page 180. It's the bottom paragraph. Potential coordination and conspiracy and collusion. Later on today, the House Intelligence Committee will question on Volume 1 of the report, which is more focused in on the Russia involvement in the election process. And of course, Bob Mueller was clear in that no one that the Trump campaign was not engaged in a coordinated effort to work with the Russian government on its interference and trying to interfere with the U.S. election. That point he was clear on, as the report was. So far, he has said nothing new.
The main takeaway from this morning's session is going to be that question. Was Bob Mueller really running this investigation? Did he write the report? Or did someone like Andrew Weissman, who's long been believed to have a powerful voice inside that office, was he really the one running it? And Jordan, it's not just an empty accusation. I mean, question after question after question. The response was halting. It was unsure. It was at times contradictory, as you pointed out. Jordan, at one point, he seemed, or at least pretended, to not even know about the firm Fusion GPS.
Bob Mueller has no idea what he's talking about on his report. I'm not saying he hasn't had a long legal career or that he hasn't served the country, but he got put. He accepted this position. He couldn't even answer if he was applying for the FBI director. Well, I wasn't asking for the job, but did you say you would take the job? I don't know. I don't recall. Suddenly, he's Mr. I don't recall.
He knew there was no way he could even stay within the confines of the report because he didn't know what the confines of the report were, Jordan. I mean, look, he started off this hearing, and I would say for about the first 30 minutes, he was trying to stay within the report, but still go ahead and confirm or corroborate when a member of Congress would read from the report. But he got caught off guard so many times when a member of Congress would ask a question, he would answer it, and then the member of Congress would say, well, your report says exactly the opposite, that Jordan, he changed his strategy. And if you look at the hearing after they took a quick break, he came back and he stopped doing that. Instead, he just started asserting the defense, it's in the report. Read the report. He quit saying what was in it. He just referred back to it, and it's because he was caught time and time again not knowing what was in it.